right, example 4, we're going to graph a square root inequality. So basically, we're just going to treat it like an equal sign, then we'll come back and look at this in the end. Okay, so we're dealing with the square root, so we know it's going to look something like that normally, right? So we set the inside equal to 0, and we solve to figure out what our domain is, right? So that means our domain, subtract 5, divide by 2. So our first x is going to be -5 over 2, or -2.5. So 1, 2, 3, so 2.5 is somewhere right there. Okay, and then our y value, nothing's being added to it, right? So our y value is just going to be 0. So there's our central point right there. -2 fits, or -2.5 and 0. And then our a, there's nothing out here on our a, so we have no dilation, right? And we have no reflection. So it's just going to go up from here, right? So something like that. Now we can come back and look at the inequality. It says y is less than our graph. So I'm looking for all answers lower than our graph, right? So that means our graph is just going to be shaded in. And then because this says just less than, right, it doesn't have the or equal to, that means this graph right here of our function is going to be dashed or dotted, however you want to say it. So it's going to be something like that. Now on your homework, some of your homework looks like this, and it's all the way out here. So we're thinking, oh, it's just not that. But we know that we can't be smaller than, right? All our answers have to be greater than this, right? Because we can't take the square root of negative. So this would never be on there. It would never go past that point, that least point right here. Okay, so our graph looks like that.